안녕하세요, 셰스입니다. 네, 오늘은 Henry and Mudge and the Forever Sea 이 책을 읽어드리도록 하겠습니다. 이 책은 바다에 놀러가서 해변에 놀러가서 일어나는 헨리와 머지의 모험 이야기죠. 이 책에 관련된 수업을 원하시는 분들은 아래 링크를 클릭하시면 구글 사이트로 넘어갑니다. 거기서 수업을 시청해주세요. 좋아요와 구독을 부탁드립니다. 바로 시작하도록 하겠습니다. Henry and Mudge and the Forever Sea. To the beach. It was summer vacation and Henry and his dog Mudge were going to the beach. Mudge had never been to the beach. Henry promised he would like it. You will like the waves, he said, and the sand castles and the shells. But don't drink the water, he warned. Too salty. They went in the car with Henry's father. In Henry's bag were green goggles, a yellow bucket, an orange shovel, and a dump truck. In Mudge's bag were a blue bowl, a jug of water, half of a bone, and a tennis ball. In Henry's father's bag were a book about shells, 6 towers, and a red rubber lobster he liked to bring along. They sang sea songs all the way. Henry's father said, "Yo ho ho," about 100 times. Henry acted like a shark. Mudge just went. They couldn't wait to get there. The Forever Sea. I see it, Henry shouted. The ocean was waiting. It was blue and white and forever. Henry's father honked the car horn. Mudge barked. They parked the car and ran for the sand. Mudge got there first. He ran right into the water. Splash! Henry was second. Splash! Henry's father was third. Splash! The white foam rushed around their legs. They laughed and hopped and ran. A big wave knocked Henry down. He rolled all the way back to shore. Wow, said Henry. He got up and ran back in. Henry's father rode a wave like he was a surfboard. He rode it all the way back to shore. Wow, he said. He got up and ran back in. Mudge was not as brave as Henry and Henry's father. He just ran along the edge. He stayed out of the big waves. But still, he got so wet that he looked like a whale with legs. They all played a long time. Brave dog. For lunch, Henry and Mudge and Henry's father walked to a hot dog stand. Henry had a hot dog with ketchup. Henry's father had a hot dog with ketchup and mustard and onions and slaw and chili and cheese. Yuck, said Henry. Mudge had 3 hot dogs, plain, in one gulp. After lunch, Henry and his father began to build a sandcastle. Henry made the moats. Henry's father made the towers. Mudge made a nice bed and went to sleep. When the castle was finished, Henry's father stuck his red rubber lobster on the tallest tower. Then he and Henry clapped their hands. Suddenly, a giant wave washed far on the sand, and it covered everything. It covered the moats. It covered the towers. It covered Mudge, who woke up. Oops, said Henry. Save that lobster! cried Henry's father. The water was pulling it out to sea. Mudge ran and jumped into the waves. He caught the lobster before it was lost forever. Good dog, said Henry's father. Brave dog, said Henry. They all had cherry snow cones to celebrate. Goodbye, crab. At the end of the day, it was time to say goodbye to the ocean. Henry and Mudge and Henry's father walked along the sand, watching the orange sunset, watching the water sparkle green and yellow. Suddenly, a crab popped out from under the sand. It came up sideways, very fast. So fast that Mudge nearly stepped on it. Look out, Mudge, Henry said. Mudge stopped and put his nose to the sand. The crab looked at him. He looked at the crab. I can't tell if that is the front of the crab or the back of the crab, said Henry's father. Suddenly the crab ran sideways, away from them. Mudge chased it. It popped back under the sand. Henry looked at its new home. Wow, he said. Whoa, said his father. Mudge stuck his nose into the hole, but nobody came out. Since we can't have crab for dinner, said Henry's father, I guess we'll have to have another cherry snow cone. Henry cheered and hugged him. As they walked down the sand, Mudge stuck his nose into every hole he saw. But nobody ever came out. 네, 이렇게 해서 Henry and Mudge and the Forever Sea, 이 책을 읽어드렸습니다. 아버지와 아들과 개가 함께 보내는 멋진 여름의 날이네요. 이 책에 관련된 수업을 원하신 분들은 아래로 내려가셔서 링크를 클릭해주세요. 고고 사이트 가셔서 수업을 시청하시면 됩니다. 좋아요, 구독, 알림 설정 부탁드립니다. 다음 시간에 Henry and Mudge gets cold shivers. 이 책을 읽어드리도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 그때까지 안녕히 계세요.